Good morning, class. This is the story of Yodeling Yak. And I want you to think, what letter is Yodeling Yak's letter? What letter is its special letter? If you guessed Y, your answer is correct. And the Y says ya. Be sure to watch for the characters and the setting and if there's a problem in how they fix it. Let's begin. Once upon a time there lived a young yellow yak named Yodeling Yak. Yodeling Yak was very good to everyone and always said, yes, yes, when she was asked to help. Yodeling Yak lived in a yak yard with many other young yaks. The yaks liked to eat yams and yogurt. I want you to think which one you'd rather eat, yams or yogurt. They would yell and yelp when they ate. That sounds like maybe that's going to be a problem. Yodeling Yak was an expert at yodeling. She would yodel in the yak yard just like this. Yodel hee hoo, yodel hee hoo. And the other yaks would answer, yodel hee hoo. Can you try that? Yodel hee hoo. That's called yodeling. One day, while Yodeling Yak was yodeling around in the yak yard, she found a yellow yo-yo. And in this picture, it's green, but it's actually yellow. She went over to it and she yanked at it. She found that the string went in and out when she pulled on it. She yelled to the other yaks to come and watch her yanking that yo-yo by its string. Yodeling Yak, she practiced. Do you see her practicing with her yo-yo? She practiced yanking that yo-yo every day and became very good at making it go up and down. The other yaks watched and yelled, yeah, 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 just like the sound that the letter Y makes. Each time the yo-yo went up and down. Can you try making that sound with me? Let's try it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yep, just like that. And then they'd say, yay for yo-yos! One day, some of the yaks found a poster telling about a yo-yo contest. They brought Yodeling Yak to see it, and she decided to enter the yo-yo contest. Ooh, that sounds really good. People of all ages came to try and win the contest with their colorful yo-yos, but there was only one yak, the Yodeling Yak. Do you see her, the Yodeling Yak? All the people, they were so good at handling their yo-yos. When it was Yodeling Yak's turn, her yak friends yelled. What do you think they yelled? Look, it's on the banners. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just like the letter Y. After all the contestants had had their turn, the judges announced the winner. It's Yodeling Yak. Everyone cheered. Yay for Yodeling Yak. Can you say that with me? Yay for Yodeling Yak. Well, because Yodeling Yak won, she earned a special prize. She got to go on a special yacht trip to Yugoslavia. And a yacht is a name for a really fancy boat. Yodeling Yak, she brought her yo-yo around and she taught others how to use it. Now I want you to think about the story, class. In the story we had the main character was Yodeling Yak. I want you to think, where was the story? Where did it take place? Where was the setting? And was this one of those stories that had a problem and they solved it? Or was it just a story that told about events in order? I want you to talk to your families about it. Okay, be sure to watch for those Y's and words that start with ya, just like Yodeling Yak.